Let's join a Blackboard Collaborate class session. Go to your Blackboard, sign into Discrete Math, and then click on Collaborate Ultra. You'll see a couple of sessions. There's an open session. It's always open. It's good for general collaboration if you want to duck in with some collaborator. The class meeting is a separate entry, and this is where the class meetings happen. You click through these during the class time. These aren't open currently because it's not class time, so instead we're going to go into the open course room and check this out. All right, press either join the course room or you can dial in using your mobile phone. The anonymous dial-in number is listed. Let's join the course room. All right, let's allow microphone access, and we allow microphone access again. Check the video, allow the camera access. My camera is pointing to this dummy screen currently, and click share video. Click on the share audio, and we're live. All right, over on the right is the chat screen. And you can chat with class members. You can view the list of participants. You could present something on your own screen if the moderator gives you privileges. You could look at your settings. Here you could set up your camera and microphone, check if your mic is working. This purple bar will move. Let's exit. And we could check, let's see. Yes, it's working. And we'll click allow to have the camera working. This dummy image is playing through the camera, so that's fine. Yes, it's working. Now we're good to go. So we activate the audio and video down here. And once we do that, whatever you're showing in your camera will be visible to the class. Okay,